you said you have so much of intensity which you want to explore. And could you elaborate on that?
uh, the two different things. Yes, of course, it's a wonderful feeling returning back to the big screen. Of course, and I enjoyed being doing web series and everything in the past couple of years. This is different and special because it's back to, like he said, homecoming. And intensity is something I think all of us as human beings have it in us, and sometimes as actors, it's fun and it's thrilling and it's therapeutic when you're able to do things with that intensity because you're doing it with a purpose and it's not going waste.
Yeah.
And this character is a defense lawyer. She's responsibly taking up a case which is very complex, um, and it's challenging. The case in itself is challenging, so the role was quite a challenge, which I enjoyed doing. Of course, being in good hands with Vikram Bhatt.
Uh, I can also say that the time is changing. Are you approaching people or filmmakers to do more roles, because media roles which can explore that?
You know, I'm terrible at socializing. I'm terrible at going and putting myself out there and going for parties and socializing. I've never been able to do that, and I still can't do that now. So even more, I can't do it. I have certain people I know well from back in the day in this industry who I've worked with, who have kept in touch with me, who know I'm keen and interested in working again. So they have me in their mind, and when they feel that something interesting is there which I could do, they let me know. So that's how
Function.
I function.
Ishant, it's your big screen debut in one way. You can say you have worked in films, but as podcast, and here you are in the lead. So it's a long dream you were cherishing, you wanted to do that.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. It's always an actor's dream to, be the leading man, to be at the helm of a film, and he, उसमें, you kind of, I guess, it's like, but when I'm doing it, somehow it's like this feeling that now that you say it, I think about it, but once you start working, then you start thinking about whether this is a theatrical, whether it's
Yeah.
radio show, or what part am I doing? Am I the hero? Am I the second guy? Am I the antagonist? Because I guess we all start enjoying acting so much. For any actor worth the sort, who's passionate about it, who loves doing this. And you can only do this if you're kind of madly in love with the profession. What you're chasing is that experience. And for that, it's what the character. What is this character doing? It's, what are the how will I explore my craft? How will I advance my craft through this character? और जो मेरे दूसरे actors के साथ scene होंगे, how's that going to pan out? It's all of that, rather than a tag that I'm in the sort of under the spotlight more than ever. So yeah, it's all of that.
But do you credit OTT to getting that kind of characters to be, to consider how you can pull that off? Did you think that's
Of course
yes,
it
you
is.
do that?
It's all because of the shows that I've done. That filmmakers got aware of what my skill set is. I mean, they may have been aware of me because I was here and there doing stuff, but I think it's only it wasn't until Patalo, Pocket Boy, and shows like these that kind of got me on the map and on filmmakers' radar. They thought of casting me in films like these.
You just said that you're very intense. You look for the crowd and actors. Are you getting the kind of actors now?
Now, as in, I've been getting my share of. I guess I've always believed that the industry is in that sense. You get what you deserve. I've always felt that मुझे जिस time पे जितना मैं तैयार था, जितना मुझे काम आता था, मुझे उतना ही मिला. ज़्यादा मिला ना कम मिला. So it's always been. I've always been satisfied in that sense. As an actor, you're never satisfied because you always want more. You always want to. You're coming for different characters, to work with different filmmakers. different formats. I mean, I'd love to, you know, explore different genres like from comedy to horror, action. Love doing action, dance and music, musical kind of thing. So it's because we're performing artists, and that's what our that's what how you can get this make some sense of this existence and your skill set.
So you are reaching out to the filmmakers to explore those things you have as an artist.
I'm
Or you just wait for
yeah,
the opportunity.
it's like it's you're once you're there, once you're out there, working, then people reach out to you. That's how the movie business works. It's not like you need to knock on every door every day. It doesn't work like that. Your work speaks for itself, and that's the magic of this industry and our line of work. That when I do something, whether it's a film or a show or any character, I think filmmakers are some of the most intelligent people that are there on this planet. A filmmaker can visualize, this guy would be great for that part based on what he's seen, of your previous. So for me, it's just about whatever I'm doing, I want to give it my best, and see how how things happen organically.
Ada, you have been working in cinema for some time, and your last two films have been amazing, and it has been a different kind of. It has somehow transformed completely whatever you have achieved so far. So, how do you see that has transformed, and was that how people or the filmmaker industries have looking at you?
How they're looking at me, you'll have to ask them. I don't know. I think it's
I'm
difficult to generalize like that. But a lot of people are showing a lot of faith and trusting me with a lot of different stuff also. So as an actor, I think I'm very fortunate for that. I'd be very bored if I had to stick to the same kind of role. And I think I'm very fortunate that I'm being offered stuff that's different people, because that's why I'm here. I want to play different people. As far away as me from possible, that's even more exciting then. I'm getting that opportunity now. It's nice.
And what kind of opportunity you are getting, and are you getting the meteor kind of roles which you really wanted to do?
Yeah, because after Kerala Story, I was the sweet, vulnerable girl, and then I got to play Bastar, the strong soldier, and do that kind of action. I had not done that realistic war action before. Then I got Sunflower, and I'm this, evil bar dancer, and I got Rita Sanyal, and I got to play all these. So I feel I'm very fortunate. Yeah, I never thought I'm getting stuff so much more than I ever thought I'd ever get. So I feel very fortunate.
This film is talking about IVF, and it is very important in today's time. Back then, it was looked down upon. I mean, people did not even have it, and that kind of story you guys are bringing. So, what you have the idea, what you thought about this story when you just thought about, when you read about this film, and you did the story. How important is to tell in today's time?
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है because ये तो एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट इशू को हाईलाइट करती है, which is fertility. I mean, it's a taboo in our society. We don't talk about it enough. A lot of people, it's almost like this is something that people feel uncomfortable talking about it because it makes them look like you're not enough. It's not, you don't just see it as any other ये तो किसी और बीमारी होता है. ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मेरे पे एक टैग लग जाएगा that I'm not man enough. So it's a big taboo in our society, and I think the खूबसूरती से the way Prince has written the story and the dialogue, some very beautiful things he's been able to say through the film, which I think would not only start a dialogue but also make it kind of normalize it. That it's okay to go out and seek treatment. Fertility is not something that we shouldn't be talking about.
No, I mean, what their characters bring out in the story is a very important topic that they touched upon, and with such ease and beautifully they've done the performance, because it's such an important topic and it can be taken wrongly. But the way they have put it across, even her dialogue in the trailer which comes, it's something which is a fact, and it happens today, and it happens more in the the slightly unaware, the uneducated crowd. Maybe through this, the awareness will grow even more. And I think IVF is a very normal procedure which more and more people are adapting to today. It is such a helpful science, and I'm sure it's going to grow more in the country and reach places where it has not yet reached.
But what you want to say that? And your character is playing a very strong woman of character.
Yeah, I think this film, Tumko Meri Kasam, I think it's a film for everyone. I think an entire family can go and watch it, and that's the beauty of this film. I would imagine, like, my grandmother watching it and feeling like this is the love story that she had. I would imagine people of our parents' generation watching it. I would imagine people who are young now who've not seen that kind of love among friends watch it and aspire to have that sort of love in their lives. It also speaks of this, like that line in the trailer, मर्द अपनी मर्दानगी के पीछे अपनी कमियां छुपाते हैं और औरत को बांझ का नाम दिया जाता है. I don't think it's just the people who are uneducated. I think even the very educated people, to be a mard sometimes is that is a question on your mardangi if you're saying you're incapable of getting your wife fertile, and that's everyone wants children once they're married, and that's a universal problem everywhere. So I feel this film is going to pervade through all types of people, all kinds of people. I think it's a film for everyone, and because it's based on Dr. Modia's life and the love story that he and Indira has, I think that's another beautiful aspect to it. The court scenes, and so yeah. And there's one big suspense that I'm not telling all of you, but that you'll have to go to the theatres and watch on 21st of March, which I can't reveal now.
This year is very beautiful and very exciting because our iconic film Sholay is turning 50 now. So I would like to know from each of you, like, what kind of relationship did you have with that film? Karan, you also worked in that film.
I have a blood relation with that film. Besides that, I mean, it's an iconic film. I have watched it millions of times. I've made my daughters watch it. It's one of their Nanu Nani's films that they enjoy watching. And it's again such a simple formula which has worked. And it's a film which even today's filmmakers pick up things to learn from. Completing 50 years is, I think, I don't know. For me, I would say time flies. I think my parents would be the right people to, ask, and Jaya ji and Amit ji and all.
But you want to say?
Wow, 15 years.
Mm.
Amazing. Oh, it's one of my stress busters. Every time I kind of, feel down and out, and बहुत ही inspiring है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्यों, क्योंकि आजकल के टाइम में जैसे जब फिल्में हमारी बहुत सारी, a lot of films don't tug on to the heartstrings, audience तक नहीं पहुँच पा रही है, in the sense emotionally. I like the revisiting of the good old modern classics, and Sholay being right on top, and it just takes you in, every aspect of that film. It is so special. Of course, it's been a part of my growing up. It's like one of the first few films I would have watched and enjoyed, and probably made me fall in love with movies because of that. Jai Firu and Gabbar, and God, yeah, it's a part of our culture.
Yeah.
Sholay is bigger than it's not just a film. It's like it's a part of our culture. So glad to know that it's 50 years. Wow.
I think मैं कितनी fortunate हूँ that my film तुमको मेरी कसम, which is releasing on the 21st of March 2025, is in the same year that Sholay is turning 50. That's so cool. And in our film तुमको मेरी कसम, which is releasing on the 21st of March, we have the heroine who is the daughter of the hero and the heroine of Sholay.
You're finding
I think I'm very fortunate. I'm sitting here promoting my movie with her. I think that's so cool.
We gave you enough
So-
time to come up with this.
No, you didn't. You took away all the things I wanted to say actually. So I had nothing else. But this is, I really mean it. I think it's so cool. No, I think it's really cool. I think a lot of stuff that I do in life as an actor. When you start off, I've never thought you'd be sitting in places like this. I'm really happy I'm in the same movie as you. Yeah, that's so cool. That is a really cool
I'm
thing.
equally happy
So,
to be working with. We didn't have
any
scenes
scenes
together, but that we are promoting a film together.
yeah, which is releasing in the same year as Sholay.
Which is 21st March. Tumko Meri Kasam.
But you didn't say that your relationship with this show.
I just made it now. This is
Yeah,
now a
but-
thing I'll never forget. After 50 साल के बाद, if you ask me, I'll be like, मेरी जो movie थी तुमको मेरी कसम वो same साल please meet Sholay.
Okay.
In context of our film, Tumko Meri Kasam, releasing on 21st of March in cinemas near you. Please go and watch it. I think सबसे खूबसूरत बात इस फिल्म की ये है कि एक हमने पहले भी बात की इसमें the relation between a man and a woman here, a genuine relationship of equals is what you get to see. So when I was doing the scenes, sometimes you feel like, and clearly, in certain societies, certain times, especially, men had the power more. And मुझे लगा इसमें the equality that the relation that they shared. My character is not doing it out of, it's not even a patronizing sense. Genuinely believes that it's a relationship of equals, which is what I really loved about it. And that's how we were playing it, right? It was never about I'm the man, you're the woman. It was about ये झगड़े भी होते हैं तो it's because of other more human. So which is something that I think men more than women need to understand, that it's not, you're not doing anyone a favor by treating the other opposite sex equal. We all are need to work as partners, especially in a relationship. It has to be a partnership of equals.
And for you both, I want to change my question. I want to ask, what
I
kind
like
of improvement?
answer.
It's good, it's nice and all, but what kind of improvement do you want to see in the industry to make this woman more?
Well, I'll answer your first question.
And this question as well, why not?
No, this is.
In terms of an industry.
No, I'm not. Let's. I want to wish everyone, all the women and the men, a very happy Women's Day, because you are because of us. And it's true. I mean, it's the mother. We are multitaskers, and they say na Nari Shakti. Nari mein Shakti बहुत होता है, so always respect all the Naris in your life. And I am also very happy and proud to see a very small thing I saw the other day. It may not seem like a big thing for a lot of people, but I saw Zomato female Swiggy, Swiggy female riders. I saw a female driving a taxi, auto. I think times are changing, and I think the days are gone where only men could do certain things. Of course, we respect men for what they do, and you'll respect us for what we do, but it's becoming more of an equal society today, and I think let's, coexist beautifully well.
Anna, what changes you want to see in the industry to improve, to make them better?
I think one change would be that this question would not be asked. Then that then there's equality here. So I look for a time where this question will not be asked. Not that your question is a thing, but I wish it's never a thing to ask that, how should a woman be treated? I hope that becomes a way of life, and that women and men are treated as one, irrespective of whatever your gender is, women, men, or other. And yeah.
Lastly, I want to ask one question. It's a world of OTT now. Everybody's binge watching everything on OTT. So I want you to recommend any particular show or movie you want the audience to watch it on OTT.
This show Patal Lok is released.
Rita
I
Sanya.
watched it. Oh, I didn't tell you I watched it.
You watched it now, so thank you.
You're very good. And the show is very good. Everyone should watch it. And what's your show?
I
I've not seen it yet.
get
I will
time
watch
to
it now.
watch television. I am either on work schedule or on my kids' schedule, and when I'm with them, we go to bed early, and they get to watch little bit of TV time, and they watch some shows on Dinah, Roma, and all that they watch on YouTube. So I watch that.
Any other show?
I've not been able to see, but I would love to catch up on a holiday and see stuff, which will be Patal Lok and yours.
Yes.